And India Today has now accessed the Bengal survivors' complaint copy, and in which the father has busted Mamata Banerjee's survivor night out claim. The father claims that the daughter went out at 8 p.m. This is what the father of the victim has claimed, that the girl went out at 8 p.m. and Mamata Banerjee had earlier alleged that the girl went out at 12:30 a.m. Also questioning that what was the need to step out at 12:30 a.m. and how did the college let the girl out at that hour. The lie has now been busted by the father of the victim, who in the complaint copy has claimed that the girl went out at 8 p.m. and not 12:30 a.m.
बहुत अच्छी बात बोला है। हम उनको बोलेंगे आज ही रात एक फतवा जारी कर दे, कल सुबह से कोई लड़की घर से नहीं निकल पाएगा तो अच्छा रहेगा। कोई लड़की बाहर नहीं निकलेगा, कोई घटना नहीं घटेगा। उन्होंने जो काम करना चाहते हैं वो काम नहीं कर सकेंगे और उनको नहीं करेगा तो उनको चीफ मिनिस्टर का पद छोड़ देना चाहिए। आज ही उन्होंने कई
The matter nobody is supporting. You tell me, when Odisha, before 3 weeks ago, 3 girls are raped in the sea beach, what action is being taken by the Odisha government? And Bengal, if anything happens on women, we don't allow anything to be considered as a casual case. It's a serious case we consider. And that girl, it's a shocking. She was studying in a private medical college. So all the private medical college, whose responsibility? Especially the girl child at night time. They should not be allowed to come out in the outside. They have to protect themselves also. There is a forest area.
So the Bengal survivors complaint copy has been accessed by India Today. We're showing you the visual of the complaint copy of the survivor, and in which the father of the victim has busted Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's claim that the survivor was out at night at 12:30 a.m. In this complaint copy, the father has clearly stated that his daughter went out at 8 p.m. and not 12:30 a.m. as is being claimed by Mamata Banerjee, also questioning that what was the need to step out at that hour. So the lie has been busted by none other than the victim's father in this complaint copy that has been accessed by India Today, in which the father claims that the girl went out at 8 p.m.